Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into the golden era of American muscle with one of the most iconic rides ever built, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle convertible. This beauty wasn't just a car, it was a statement of style, speed, and pure American power. So, let's take a closer look at what makes the 1970 Chevelle convertible a timeless legend. Exterior. The 1970 Chevelle featured a bold, muscular design that perfectly captured the essence of the 70s muscle era. From its aggressive front fascia with dual headlights and that split grille, to the long sweeping body lines that lead to a slightly raised rear end, every inch of this car screams performance. The convertible top added an extra layer of freedom. Drop it down, and suddenly you're not just driving, you're commanding attention everywhere you go. And if you opted for the SS 454 package, you got the blacked-out grille, racing stripes, and those iconic, cowl induction, hood scoops, a sign that this car meant serious business. Interior. The cabin of the Chevelle convertible was all about blending comfort with sportiness. The seats were wide and supportive, wrapped in classic vinyl, and available in a variety of colors to match your style. The dashboard was clean and driver-focused, featuring round dials and a simple layout that made it easy to monitor everything from speed to RPMs. And let's not forget, this was a convertible, so once the top was down, you got that perfect open-air experience with a V8 soundtrack roaring behind you. Performance. Under the hood, the 1970 Chevelle was an absolute monster. Depending on the trim, you could get anything from a 307 cubic inch V8 producing around 200 horsepower, all the way up to the legendary 454 cubic inch LS6 V8, pumping out a mind-blowing 450 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time around 5.4 seconds, it was one of the fastest production cars of its time. The rear-wheel drive setup, heavy-duty suspension, and that unmistakable exhaust growl made every drive an adrenaline rush. Whether cruising the boulevard or tearing down the drag strip, the Chevelle convertible delivered pure, unfiltered American muscle. So, what made the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle convertible so special? It wasn't just the power or the looks, it was the emotion it created. It represented freedom, rebellion, and the golden age of performance cars. Even today, more than 50 years later, this car turns heads and ignites passion wherever it goes. In the end, the 1970 Chevelle convertible isn't just a classic, it's an American icon. A car that perfectly blended muscle, style, and open-air cruising, something we rarely see today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into a true classic, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more legendary car stories every week. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your engines roaring.